Yeah, so our partnership with Oli Mutual is very interesting and really exciting for us in Kenya. It basically goes to show like some of the hard work that we've done over the years and working with great partners like Old Mutual to be able to support some of their new digitization needs, basically to help their customers make seamless payments. And what we're trying to do with that is through one service Paystack offers, we give the customers the ability to make payments through any channel, be it cards, your Visa, your MasterCard, your Amex, mobile money for local payment for local customers. So things like M-Pesa, Airtel Money, and then also things like bank transfers. So if a customer wants to make a payment through their bank, we also support that. And this is really exciting because it then helps complete their journey for Old Mutual for their customers. Basically, when they want to complete a payment, they can seamlessly do it through Paystack. And what we offer is basically for the customer a really simple, clean user experience. So basically, when a customer wants to make a payment, it's as easy as putting your mobile number or putting your card details and completing the payment within the app without having to leave the app. And that creates trust. And for customers who want to repeat, they always know that they'll get the best service through Old Mutual. Paystack, we've basically been in the market for 4 years, licensed by the central bank. And over the last 4 years, we've grown really dramatically. And right now, we serve about 2,500 businesses in Kenya. That's across different verticals, right? From insurance, like Old Mutual, to e-commerce, to healthcare, to transport, to logistics. So we support education, agriculture. So we support businesses across the different industry verticals in Kenya. For us, it's basically like how do we support the different verticals in Kenya, right? So like, for example, insurance, it's a very ripe market for innovation, right? So we see a lot of potential for innovation in insurance. So basically what we're doing in Old Mutual is a blueprint for what we can do for the Kenyan market, make it simple, make it easy, make it easier for people to have access to insurance very quickly at their fingertips. So that is pretty much like our target is just to make it easy for everyone to have access to insurance and supporting all insurance companies the best we can. I think after the onset of COVID, like a lot of things went digital, right? Like we're still a very cash heavy market in Kenya. We've only scratched the surface. M-Pesa would account for about 30% of all payment in the market. About 70% is still cash, right? So we're still a very cash heavy market. And one of the things I know the government is trying to do is make sure that we can make it easier for people to have access to digital payments, right? So getting access to smartphones or phones to be able to complete payments. So one of the things we're really seeing is this mass adoption by businesses because one, again, the issue a lot of businesses have with cash is reconciliation. The finance teams struggle with managing cash. It's a very expensive thing to manage cash. So with the adoption of these digital payments, it's a much cleaner experience for the customer as well as for the business where they're able to reconcile payments and just be able to be more efficient as a business.